Are you in the market for an all-in-one solution to charge your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch all at the same time? Well, amigo, you are in luck, because in this video, I'll be comparing not one, not two, but three of Amazon's top-selling charging stations to help you decide which is right for you. If you go to Amazon and type Apple charging station, you will find over 3,000 results being spit back at you. But don't worry, I bought three of the most popular stations so you don't have to. We got the CW320, the CW350, and the CW370. All three stations are made by the same company in China. All come in either white or black. They all charge the Apple Watch wirelessly at the top of the unit. All of the stations use a lightning connector at the back of the unit to charge the AirPods. So if you wanted to charge your AirPods wirelessly, none of these stations are for you. All of them use USB Type-C to power the units. Now the differences. The base on the CW350 is round, while the other two are square. Both the CW350 and CW320 have a charging indicator light at the front of the unit, while the CW370 has it on the back. Both the CW320 and CW350 charge the iPhone wirelessly, while the CW370 charges the iPhone using the lightning connector. These comes useful if you have a thick case that prevents you from wirelessly charging. I also have unboxing videos for each of these charging stations in my channel, in case you're interested in watching those as well. Like this video, cause I just saved you from buying the wrong charging station and having to drive back to return the damn thing. Subscribe for more, and don't forget to clean 8-bit.